sunshines. Happy 4th of July. We are out here on my way to Disney's Boardwalk. We're going to do fireworks and just hang out for tonight. So let's see what's going on here. I have reservations at the Flying Fish, so we're going to go there first and then see what else is going on. But we're here.
Make so much noise. Go ahead, you can try it. Nice. That brings me to rule number 2. If you see something in our show that you do not like, rule number 3. Can I get a thumbs up if you see our glowing border with our safety? Thumbs up, yes. For our safety and for yours, please do not ever screw up in our left hand. We're gonna get untangled, even if we try. Alright, Ryan, are you ready? Here we go.
Okay, sunshine. So we are now about to go into the Flying Fish. Here we are at Disney's Boardwalk, 4th of July. All right, so let's see how it is. Oh, great, thank you. There you go. Okay, sunshine. So, just finished at the Flying Fish, and I think I just found my favorite restaurant at Disney. The Flying Fish. The food was delicious. The service was top tier. Just everything was great. The drinks, I did get a drink from there. It was called the Pacific Island Punch. I believe that's what it's called. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. But yes, it was good. I had the potato wrap snapper. I'll put that on the screen too. I just want to make sure I'm telling you the right name. But anyway, now we're here walking on the boardwalk. waiting for fireworks. I will be going live tonight, so I hope you all catch my live. But look at this sunset. Oh my goodness, everything looks so good. But we are out here, the winning team. Yes, carnival thing here. We're on the boardwalk. Oh, I see a rainbow back there. Y'all see the rainbow? I'm also getting me a thumbnail. Alright, so toodles, let me go find a spot for fireworks and then I will actually go live. Alright, bye bye. Hey y'all.